everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very short and sweet video for you guys. As you guys know that Raksha Bandhan is around the corner. So Chocolibare from Margao by Mrs. Lakshmi Prabhu Mapne Karo has sent me her special Raksha Bandhan chocolate bar, and they both are of two different flavors. So yeah, let's try them out. So guys, I do not know which flavor is which. So I think I'm going to open it up and then check it out. So it has got a very pretty packaging, nice colors. Let me open this first. Ooh, smells good. Okay, so guys, this one has a lot of things going on here. We'll just find out what is there in this. So guys, this bar has got flax seeds, chia seeds, watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Like wow, and this is a dark chocolate bar and it's super healthy. I think the toppings used are super healthy. I love the seeds which are there on top. So look at this pretty bar, guys. Just such a pretty bar. Let's try it out now. I think this is a fruit and nut plus all the healthy seeds mix. And if your sibling is a health freak, you know what to get him or her. I really love this. So guys, next I'm going to open this bar. I really like the color of this, purple and pink. Let's open it. Oh, okay. So guys, this bar is the fruit and nut bar with all the healthy seeds in it. And this bar is just a dark chocolate bar with the healthy seeds in it, like the chia seeds, the sunflower seeds, the watermelon seeds. I love this kind. So guys, let's try it out. It's a very good treat to give to your siblings. Even if you don't have a sibling, you can treat yourself with a Raksha Bandhan bar from Chocolibare. Yeah, let's move on. So guys, along with the Raksha Bandhan bars, Miss Lakshmi Prabhu Mapne also sent me one of her protein bars, and I really loved how it's packed, and it's got a nice tied butter paper. And here is the protein bar. Let me tell you what all ingredients are there in this. So guys, the protein bar has flax seeds, chia seeds, raisins, peanut butter, honey, almonds, dates, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, sunflower seeds. Oh wow, so it's super healthy. Let's give it a go. And also has almonds. It's perfect for someone who is super healthy and you can eat it after, you come after a quick workout. Also, you can just have it on your own, like an evening snack or an afternoon snack. I love this. So guys, usually to celebrate a child's birth, we distribute pedas and sweets. But this time you can give this cute announcement jars by Chocolibare. It's a very new thought. She has sent me one which says it's a boy. So congratulations to whoever has, asked her to make this. It's a boy. It's a glass jar with some chocolates inside. Let's try it out. The classic Chocolibare chocolates. It has white chocolate chips in it. Perfect. I've also made one more video on Chocolibare. I'll put a link in the description below. Please do check it out. I love dark chocolate. This is too good. So guys, the announcement jar comes with a lot of assorted chocolates that you can select and ask her to put in this jar. And it also comes in different shapes: square, rectangle, a heart, a circle. This one is a heart, a circle, and there are many other cute shapes that you can ask and gift difference. Even if you don't have anything to announce, even if you want to celebrate something or someone, something like that, you can give this cute little jars as a gift. Looks also nice and nicely packed with a blue ribbon. I'm sure it's a boy, that's why there's a blue ribbon to it, and it's really very cute and pretty. If you want to order this, I'll put all her links in the description below. Please do go check it out and order yourself. So guys, if you want to order yourself such pretty looking bars and all of that, please do check out the description. I've linked all Lakshmi Prabhu Makhani's links down below. Also, do check out her Instagram page, her Facebook page, and yes, order yourself some sweet treats from Choco Le Bear. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Bye.